Nestled in the northeastern region of the United States, Vermont is a captivating state that entices visitors with its picturesque landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage. Known as a Green Mountain State, Vermont is renowned for its breathtaking mountain ranges, including the iconic Green Mountains, which dominate its scenic vistas. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Vermont and everything it has to offer. Things to do: explore the magic of Burlington. Start your Vermont adventure in Burlington, a vibrant city situated on the shores of Lake Champlain. Stroll along the Church Street Marketplace, a pedestrian-only area filled with charming shops, restaurants, and street performers. Take a scenic boat tour on Lake Champlain. Visit the Echo Lea Center for Lake Champlain to learn about the region's ecology, or simply relax in one of the waterfront parks. Discover historic Bennington. Immerse yourself in Vermont's rich history by visiting the town of Bennington. Explore the Bennington Battle Monument, a towering obelisk commemorating a pivotal Revolutionary War battle. Wander through the captivating exhibits at the Bennington Museum, which houses an impressive collection of American art and artifacts. Embrace outdoor adventures in Stowe. Head to Stowe, a renowned destination for outdoor enthusiasts. In the winter, hit the slopes at Stowe Mountain Resort, known for its excellent skiing and snowboarding terrain. During the warmer months, embark on hiking trails that wind through the picturesque forests and mountains of the area. Culinary delights in the Mad River Valley. Experience Vermont's culinary scene in the charming Mad River Valley. Explore local farms and vineyards where you can sample artisanal cheeses, sip on Vermont wines, and pick your own fresh fruits in the summer and fall. Marvel at the splendor of the Green Mountains. No visit to Vermont is complete without immersing yourself in the pristine beauty of the Green Mountains. Drive along the scenic Route 100, which offers panoramic views of the mountains and passes through charming towns and covered bridges. Explore the Green Mountain National Forest, where you can hike, camp, or simply revel in the tranquility of nature. Transportation options. Transportation options in Vermont are varied and convenient, allowing visitors to explore the state with ease. The Burlington International Airport serves as the main gateway for air travel, with direct flights to several major cities. Renting a car is a popular choice, providing flexibility to navigate the scenic roads and reach the state's charming towns and natural attractions. Those looking for a more eco-friendly option, Vermont offers an extensive network of bike trails, making cycling a delightful way to explore the picturesque landscapes. Places to stay. From luxurious resorts and boutique hotels to charming bed and breakfasts and cozy cabins, there is an option for every style and budget. Many visitors choose to stay in quaint towns and villages where you can immerse themselves in the local culture and enjoy the warm hospitality of the residents. Best time to visit. The best times to visit Vermont depend on the experiences you seek. The state's fall foliage season, typically from late September to mid-October, is a breathtaking spectacle as the landscape transforms into a vibrant tapestry of red, orange, and gold. Winter is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports in popular resorts like Stowe and Killington. Spring brings blooming flowers and a rejuvenating atmosphere, perfect for hiking and exploring nature. Summer offers pleasant weather, inviting visitors to enjoy outdoor activities, attend festivals, and relax by the lake shores. Each season brings its own charm, and Vermont's natural beauty ensures a memorable experience no matter when you decide to visit. Vermont beckons travelers with its unrivaled beauty, inviting communities and captivating experiences. Whether it's embarking on a scenic hike amidst vibrant fall foliage, savoring the flavors of local cuisine, or immersing oneself in the state's rich history and culture, Vermont offers a unique and memorable journey for all. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.